Good evening. In this session, our topic is no practice, no selection. What do you mean by this? For example, you are writing any competitive examination, including civil services examination. For that, obviously, you need to read various books. Of course, lots of books are available in the market for every subject. Lots of material is also available in the market for every subject. That is the reason why if you want to read any particular subject, there is no dearth of the material, rather plenty of material is available in the market. But when it comes to writing practice, which you are going to do with respect to the main examination, who is going to provide the writing practice? Are there any books available? There may be some books available like model questions and answers, but that will not be sufficient for you. That may give you some idea, but when it comes to actual effective writing in the examination, every serious aspirant has to practice well in advance. That is the reason why today's title is No Practice, No Selection. Meaning, take my words for granted that a person who is not practicing answer writing will not be selected. There may be some exceptions, I am not denying that. But otherwise, this is really a difficult task. Because whatever you are reading, that you will not be in a position to reproduce as it is in the examination. For this reason, in order to manage the time, in order to present yourself skillfully and very precisely within the number of words limitation, you have to have practice. This is a must, take it for granted, my dear friends. That is the reason why, let it be any subject, let it be any topic, the more you practice, the more you are going to gain, right? And that will push you into the the top ranks. That is the reason why, my dear friends, please remember very clearly, let the examination may be anything, especially with respect to the civil service main examination, you have to practice a lot. So take the questions, write the answers, and get it corrected by the experts, and follow their suggestions, and don't repeat those mistakes in the next practice answer. So then that will be really helpful to you too, and you will become very sharp. And that will also be helpful to you with respect to the time management. So in the real examination, time management is really a difficult task. So we cannot manage it. That is the reason why time management should also be practiced well in advance. In the examination, once you start writing, so you read the question, you understand the question, you frame the answer in your mind, and you start writing the answer. The moment you start writing the answer, it should be like a flow. Like this, you have to answer many questions in the examination. In order to go in a smooth manner, in order to present your answers in a very effective manner, you have to have practice. So that is the reason why, please keep practicing. Please start writing on day-to-day basis. I repeat, start writing on day-to-day basis. And of course, with respect to our civil services main examination, with respect to IAS 2025, we are going to start a batch on November 11th, 2024. The details are given in the description below this video. Kindly click on the link, download the app, and join the course accordingly to be there in the mainstream. So whatever is required for the success to get the better score in this particular paper, everything will be provided, starting from the basics to the concepts to the analysis and writing practice and analysis and evaluation of those answers. Everything will be provided to you by Kalyan Times. So please download the app and join this particular course, and I wish you all a very good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow with other topics with respect to our paper 4, ethics, aptitude, ethics, integrity and aptitude. Thank you so much. Take very good care.